In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator to quickly combine, remove, and clean up shapes like a pro. If you've ever struggled with the Pathfinder panel or felt confused about merging objects, this tool is going to make your workflow much faster and more intuitive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create overlapping shapes, merge them together, and subtract areas in just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. The size doesn't matter for this example, so you can choose any preset you like. Once your artboard is ready, we need to create 2 or more overlapping shapes. Head over to the toolbar and select the Rectangle tool, then click and drag on your artboard to draw a rectangle. Next, switch to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle that overlaps part of the rectangle. You can also add a third shape if you'd like, such as a polygon or another rectangle. The key here is making sure your shapes overlap each other, because the Shape Builder tool works by detecting those intersecting areas. If your shapes are different colors, that's even better, because it will make it easier to see what's happening. You can change colors from the Properties panel or the Swatches panel. Don't worry about perfection here. This is just to understand how the tool behaves. Now that you have your overlapping shapes, the next step is to select all of them. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over all the shapes with the Selection tool, or by holding Shift and clicking each shape individually. Make sure every shape you want to edit is selected. This is very important, because the Shape Builder tool only works on selected objects. With all shapes selected, press Shift+M on your keyboard. This activates the Shape Builder tool instantly. You can also find it in the toolbar if you prefer clicking, but the shortcut is much faster and worth remembering. As soon as you activate it, move your cursor over the overlapping areas. You'll notice that Illustrator highlights different sections formed by the intersections of your shapes. These highlighted sections are what you can merge or remove. To combine shapes, simply click and drag across the areas you want to merge. For example, if you want to combine the rectangle and the circle into one unified shape, click in one section, hold your mouse button down, and drag across the adjoining sections. When you release the mouse, Illustrator merges them into a single shape. It's that simple. This method gives you much more control compared to using Pathfinder's Unite option, because you can choose exactly which parts to combine instead of merging everything at once. Now let's talk about removing areas. Sometimes you don't want to merge shapes, you want to cut parts away. With the Shape Builder tool still active, hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. You'll see a small minus sign appear next to your cursor. While holding Alt or Option, click on any section you want to remove. Instantly, that area disappears. This is perfect for trimming overlaps, cutting out unwanted sections, or creating custom shapes from basic geometry. You can continue clicking and dragging to merge more areas, or hold Alt and click to subtract sections until you get the exact design you're looking for. The beauty of the Shape Builder tool is that it allows you to visually interact with your shapes instead of guessing how Illustrator will process them. Once you're done, switch back to the Selection tool by pressing V and click on your new shape. You'll notice that what used to be multiple objects is now a clean, single vector shape. You can resize it, recolor it, or apply strokes and effects just like any other object. And that's how you use the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Create overlapping shapes, select them all, press Shift+M, drag to merge, and hold Alt or Option to remove areas. It's a simple process, but it can dramatically speed up your design workflow. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.